Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Sounds of Ireland. May I say thanks for the years gone by and all that you've been to me. Today's our day, let's relive the past. It's our anniversary. I still remember the vows we made, that our love would always be. We fell in love and stayed that way. It's our anniversary. We've had our good times, we've had our bad times, we've had our ups and downs. I never worried about our ups and downs, 'cause you were always around. Greatest gift in the world you gave to me so willingly. Bless you and keep you for years to come. It's our anniversary. We've had our good times, we've had our bad times, we've had our ups and downs. I never worried about our ups and downs, 'cause you were always around. The greatest gift in the world you gave to me so willingly. Oh, bless you and keep you for years to come. It's our anniversary. I love you and I always will. My darling, come today and sit you down easily and rest a while beneath the soft firelight. Cold is the night, but warm is my heart with pride, having you by my side. You're still my guiding light after all these years. Your soft, assuring way, the rock I lean on, saw me through my darkest days when all hope had gone. You're still the only one I'll ever hold near, and I love you after all these years. Time from me passes on, and I'm growing old. A lifetime nearly gone, I cannot unfold. Nights dark and cold, but warm is your hand in mine. Feeble with ageless time, the light of love still shines after all these years. Your soft is shivering way, the rock I lean on, saw me through my darkest days when all hope had gone. You're still the only one I'll ever hold near, and I love you after all these years. The sun is shivering way, the rock I lean on, saw me through my darkest days when all hope had gone. You're still the only one I'll ever hold near, and I love you after all these years. I still love you after all these years. I'll sing and write the cheer-a-laddie, cheer-a-lay. There's no one who can tell a lie like me. Oh, you can search until you're tired, you won't find a bigger liar. I've been lying since the dawn of history. I was born about 10,000 years ago in Balmullen, in the county of Mayo. Oh, it was me who chased the bandits while St. Patrick preached his sermon. If I knew a bigger lie, I'd share you so. Here we go. I'll sing and write, cheer-a-laddie, cheer-a-lay. There's no one who can tell a lie like me. Oh, you can search until you're tired, you won't find a bigger liar. I've been lying since the dawn of history. Now I saw Delilah cutting Samson's hair. She stepped away until his head was bare. Oh, when he couldn't run away, she made him the next day, and he opened up a barber shop in Clare. I'll sing in the rifle, choo-ra-laddie, choo-ra-lad. There's no one who can tell it I like me. Oh, you can search until you're tired, you won't find a bigger liar. I've been lying since the dawn of history. Now I saw he plucking apples off a tree. She came over and she offered one to me. I said, no, thank you, madam. You can try your luck with Adam. I'm going home for me fish and chips and tea. I'll sing and rifle, cheer-a-laddie, cheer-a-lad. There's no one who can tell a lie like me. Oh, you can search until you're tired, you won't find a bigger liar. I've been lying since the dawn of history. Cromwell came to Ireland long ago, but he never shed a drop of blood, you know. When they heard that he was leaving, all the Irish started grieving. If I knew a bigger lie, I'd tell you so. I'll sing in the rifle, cheer-a-laddie, cheer-a-lay. There's no one who can tell a lie like me. Oh, you can search until you're tired, you won't find a bigger liar. I've been lying since the dawn of history. It was during World War II I met them all. It was Roosevelt, Churchill and de Gaulle. Now one day I almost fainted. I was having me house painted. There was Hitler hanging paper in the hall. I'll sing and rifle, cheer-a-laddie, cheer-a-lay. There's no one who can tell a lie like me. Oh, you can search until you're tired, you won't find a bigger liar. I've been lying since there they stand, hand in hand. They've exchanged wedding bands. Today is the day that they seal all their plans. And all you who loved him just wanted to say, may God bless this couple who married today. In good times and bad times, in sickness and health, may they know that riches are not needed for wealth, and help them face problems they meet on their way. God bless this couple who married today. May they find peace of mind comes to all who are kind. May the rough times ahead become triumphs behind, and may their children be happy each day. Oh, God bless this family that started today. In good times and bad times, in sickness and health, may they know that riches are not needed for wealth, and help them face problems they meet on their way. Oh, God bless this couple who married today. As they go, may they know a real love that was shown, and as life it gets shorter, may their feelings grow. Wherever they travel, wherever they stay, may God bless this couple who married today. In good times and bad times, in sickness and health, May they know that riches are not needed for wealth, and help them face problems they meet on their way. Oh, God bless this couple you married today. Oh, God bless this couple you married today.
Can you do a snake?
No, I guess not.
Dad, how does a rooster go? Ooh, that's good.
God dog it, Dave.
Dave.
And a donkey.
How's a donkey go, man?
How's the people perform?
And a horse.
Oh, do the donkey
That's not a
again.
good one.
My goodness, look at the colors. What do you think of all that? Nancy, do your famous owl.
Do you what?
What do I do?
How?
I don't know how. What kind of a howl do I do? I don't remember.
And them, you know them cows, if you go to the, if they're way up in the field and you go, meh, they'll all come over to you. Real quick. You keep doing that, meh. They'll, what, remember in Ireland, Nancy?
Yeah. And then they
Yeah, all
stare
come-
at you.
they just stand there
They're
staring at you.
Stare at you, these big eyes.
Look at that, Richard.
Tail like this.
What is it?
Look at those colors.
Wow.
Oh, beautiful.
What'd you do?
Sit down for a second. You farted.
You don't mind if I pause?
Boy, no.
Oh, whatever. Whatever. Here, we can...
Well, I drive 60. I do that to the squirrels at home, they go crazy.
I got you, Dave. I got you, Dave.
They go crazy when I do that to the squirrels at
This is
home.
what I do to him. So he can hear me. He gets pissed off when I do that. It's like I'm cussing at him.
I'm showering just before I go to bed tonight. Wash my hair.
Baby's married. I can't believe she wasn't too.
She made me to the altar.
You can go and take pictures under the tree or wherever you want.
Okay. Good job, Dave.
I got it all, man.
I love you, man. I am your new son. Your new son, Dave.
You got it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Hold on, let me look. Oh,
You got Richard standing there?
let's see here what we got here.
Ready.
Do I got it?
Yeah.
Is it picture?
Oh, yeah. Up a little bit.
Oh.
Up a little bit. Tip it up.
Okay. Oh, we can get it later.
For me not to even film.
No, it's not. No.
I don't know.
Time?
Did what?
Did you look at the clock?
I did.
I did.
It was exactly 3 o'clock. It was my watch.
3 o'clock.
I got Seiko.
3 o'clock.
It was 3 o'clock,
Yeah.
Mommy?
I got you a present, Deborah. So I can remember it.
Daddy, you better get up here.
What you waiting for? Can't make me wait. My daddy. What you think, Dad?
Wonderful.
I clean up pretty good.
Hold on just a second. Let me do one more. Perfect.
Alright,
Beautiful.
give me some.
Okay, right there, Dave. You stay there.
And I push that little button in the middle.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Not too far.
Is it too far, you think? If you can get this closer.
Now, I'll tell you what, see, I can take a picture and then I can run over there and get in there with you.
Okay.
You want me to do that and then?
A fridge to put it in place right now.
What's up, Dad?
Yeah, man. I got me a new son.
Got a couple more new sons. I always wanted.
Yep. Yeah, me too.
Girls.
Hey, Jen.
Here, I'll take you. No, I know, it's good.
Good camera.
Hope all the stuff I did was okay.
I'm sure. Woo, I got that.
I can't believe we're at the wedding. That's when you're supposed to be taking it out. No.
Is this your one last?
Okay, what can I say? We got a beautiful young couple here in Deborah. She's been a wild one.
Nancy, you're right in front of the camera, baby.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Deborah's been a wild girl, but good to see her settle down and become a mother.
It's all the truth.
And
Wrong woman.
I've got my arm around the son that I've never had. And
Don't waste it.
I ain't wasting nothing.
and you know, we love you all both together, all to pieces, and his brother, and his mother, and his other brother that couldn't be here. So
Congrats.
we'll leave it at that.
Woo! Cheers
And
to
his
that one.
mother,
Yeah.
yep.
And for Richard's dad that's been deceased, but for Wayne, we were here for him too.
Okay.
In spirit.
Yeah.
Yes, for sure.
Thank
The
you.
main thing about it all
Thank you
is
very much.
we have a beautiful couple here that's going to be parents, and there's nothing more precious than that, I think. So we congratulate them to the fullest.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay?
Here you go, honey.
I'm not,
Cheers.
Cheers.
you did it
What is
again.
it? I didn't do it.
It's a whole
People
lot.
are throwing stuff in my hand. Cheers, everybody.
Cheers to everybody.
I'm losing my bottom.
Where's your bottle?
Bottom's on the table now.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Mom.
So Nancy, are you
Mom.
going over there?
Yeah.
Speech!
Speech.
Great goodness.
He's gonna be 12. Look at him. What?
So proud of you.
You did great.
Michael, they look wonderful.
From where?
Are you hurting? Mama, maybe. Good.
Oh my God. I haven't seen him yet. Oh my God. Oh, he's huge.
It was time of birth.
1842.
You hold this for me?
See if that helmet fits him now.
I'm gonna use that when I'm being
Here, Byron, I've got a videotape, or you know, I'll get yelled at by your brother. You know.
Who wants to get a picture of you with the helmet on?
Connor.
I didn't concentrate on doing it. I didn't concentrate on doing it.
Your mom wants to get a picture.
That's all right, Dad. That's all right. I'll get it later. No worries. Just put it down.
I get this.
Huh? Can't even see. There he is.
Ooh, is it okay if I could take this?
No, it's not.
I'm glad we got all that on video.
Well, she's turning our present apart. Barney, you catching all this?
Chocolate in here.
I'm not catching it all.
Oh, Christmas cookies!
It smells like chocolate in there.
Oh,
Can you go?
Kelly.
Can we go?
Very good. Here, give this to Papa. These are real shortbread cookies.
No.
My little beverage, Richard.
Oh, okay. let me get back to that.
Look what
All right. All right.
Look what I found.
Oh my God.
What do you think?
What is it, a jacket?
It's it's a little.
You see that?
Yeah.
I found the camera.
You see that now?
Yeah.
Sure.
That's the Houston.
See.
That's the
Look what I
NFL team.
found.
Try it on, Dad.
Look what I
Houston.
Oh, hold on. One more.
Where's my PS? Where's my
Oh,
PS?
we thought it was going to be too big.
There you go.
It just fits you.
Hey, Bird. What do you think of that?
Here it is.
Oh, good. Here. It's from Dad.
What do you think?
All the puppy ones are from.
What do you think?
Dad, she just opened up your present.
Oh, okay.
Gave you that.
Gene.
Gee.
First.
There it is.
What's that?
Irish cream.
There, hand it to him.
Gene was
You think it's too early in the morning to do that?
It's
It's a Christmas present for Dave.
oh, here he goes. Richard. Go.
And he's passing it around.
Gene sees it.
Wait, you got one time, Dave.
I want Mommy to open this one for me.
All right. Well, we got all the.
All right, I got it. Oh, you got it? Come on. Bring it in. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Got him, Dave.
Did you believe that?
Yep. That dog food, man. Huh? That's that dog food. All right. No, don't bust you. Don't bust your. Gosh. I told you you're gonna bust it. Dave's new bird feeder. Homemade. Look at that.
Can you walk under that? Can you walk under that? Yeah, easy. Yeah.
You want that low?
Yeah. Yeah, it's perfect. It's hanging pretty low. Dancing family.
Oh, there is Mom. Woo!
Abby.
Alright, Neil, go do your sled. No, everyone waiting for the sled. Do the sled.
You got more than enough people.
Can we open it for you?
Is that for me?
Yeah.
Oh, what?
Oh.
Coconut patty.
Abby.
Put it in the fridge.
But look, my gift's under there from Dad.
You see your sproles.
Thank you, Mom.
Okay.
Oh, sproles. There you go.
Alright.
How come it's not flashing?
It's on video.
Already.
Mom, just go with it. Okay?
Go with the flow.
Go with the flow.
You know how to do it.
Nancy knows how to do it. Happy birthday, Nancy.
Alright.
Love you. You're my girl.
Back up, Connor. Alright, we got a big birthday here.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Go ahead, Richard, get in the picture. Birthday, dear Nana.
group here.
Why don't you come in here and video?
Huh?
Come in.
Well, is the candle still burning?
Oh, it's all good.
All right. I don't know what my wish is.
Come on, we all have
All right, come on. Make your wish.
Deborah.
What?
You're not supposed
Okay. All right, go ahead.
to make another wish.
Hey.
All right.
Mom, blow out the candle.
I call it 7. I call it 8.
All right.
Remember me, for this alone I pray, and hold me deep within your heart, forever from today. For I ever live in your memory, it's there alone I stay, as you and I break this last embrace, a separate road I take away. The years, they are so fleet, they flow and ebb like the tide, yet in your heart I will abide. Remember me with a votive light at the gathering of our King, when the sun returns with a passing storm, and the heather's blown by the wind. Oh, please forget my faults, remember smiles and good, for I lived my life as my parents' child, and loved as best I could. The years, they are so fleet, they flow and ebb like the tide, yet in your heart I will abide, for I ever live in your memory, it's there alone I stay, and hold me deep within your heart, forever from today.
When this German soldier came up to him and the guard pulled his knife. Every time a guard pulls his knife, he has to draw blood. So the guard pulls his knife from the German's neck. The German says, "Ha ha! You missed me." He says, "Shake your head." You don't get the joke.
She said, what? Shake your head.